Whoa. Hey, it's your girl Alethea, and if it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by my channel. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back for another video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my December BoxyLuxe box. Why am I rocking? Now this should be the last of 4 because I said I was going to continue getting the box until March. So I got like 3 more boxes to get, so we're going to see how that plays out. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I do have in this box, and I don't see the card. I don't know what I did with the card to tell y'all the theme, but yeah, it's the BoxyLuxe big box that only comes once per quarter. So the first thing I get out of here, I have in here is a head wrap towel, daily hair wrap towel, and y'all, I am so glad that they sent this. And I'll be truthfully honest, I was about to buy one last month from Walmart, and I said, no, you don't need to get that. And I am actually glad I didn't get it because yay, I have one. So here it is. It's just I need to wash it because I do need to shampoo my hair. So I need to wash this before I put this on my head. So yeah, glad I got this. My mom got a pink one in her box, and I think my aunt got a pink one in her box. So I have the black. I wish I had got the pink one, but it's okay. My mom actually told me I could get her pink one, but I didn't because, you know, since my hair does bleed sometimes still, even though my color has faded, I didn't want to mess up the pink towel. And then the next thing I got, and my mom didn't get this one. I think this one was a choice, and I chose this one because the other thing I think you could choose besides this was the rose oil, and I'm not a big fan of rose oils. I'm not a big fan of the smell of roses. So we have the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and y'all, I am set when it comes to products for my face. I stick to using certain products at one time and don't cross over and use anything else. So I won't be using this until something else is gone. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that I will. So I take the top off, and then it has this little thing on here, and it's just like a light pink color. And I can tell, let me see what it feels. What does it feel like? Let me put this top on so I won't spill any of it. But it feels like it's very lightweight. Yeah, it's very lightweight. Very lightweight product. All right, and so then the next thing I pull out is the Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic Liquid Metallic Matte Lipstick. That is a mouthful. My mom actually got a lip gloss in hers. Why am I sharing everything my mom got as if this is her video? But she actually, this month, it will be her last Too Faced. I'm saying Too Faced because it's Too Faced, but this month will be her last BoxyCharm box. I am going to cancel hers. I actually went over to her apartment the other day to cancel it, but I ended up not canceling it yet because I wanted her to use her points. So I purchased something with her points, and then I'm gonna go back and cancel it. But that's the color of it. And I do like that color, that mauvey neutral type color. I like colors like this, so I'm definitely going to be using that so I can throw this box away. Because when it's something that I know I might not be using, I'll keep the box and I may gift it to someone, but I'm going to be using that. Then this next thing is a highlighter, because I did go through this box, so I'm not going to sit up and act like I don't know. But the next thing is a confetti highlighter by Ciate London, and this one right here, I'm going to keep the box because I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep it, because I think I have enough highlighters, but also I don't know if I want this one. I may keep it. I don't know. I'm talking that mess now, but here's what it looks like. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. So if I do share it with someone, it'll be someone that doesn't mind that I swatched it. That is pretty though. So that is the confetti highlight. And then the next thing I have, I don't know whether this was a choice or not. I think this was a choice. Yes, this was a choice item between getting this and getting the rollerball thing. And I have one of the roller things, but I hate I didn't get that because I like the way my mom's feel. So I got this lip line corrector that I don't need. I mean, I don't even know the purpose of this. Well, like, I don't see anything wrong with my lip line. I mean, like, really? So how do you open this? Oh, it's a twist up thing. I was trying to pull the top off. So I don't know. It's a lip serum. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. Next thing I have is a Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. So this I'll definitely put in my collection, and I'll keep this because who can't use a setting spray? I'm a setting spray type of girl. I know there are a lot of people out there that don't use setting sprays and don't care for them. However, I do. All right, and then the next thing I have is the M Green Grass. What is this? It's wrapped in this plastic. I'm not sure. Let's see, what is this? Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. This fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous without feeling greasy. Oh, this is like a fragrance. And the fragrance is beach air. I thought this was something like for your hair when I looked at it through the bag. So let me smell this. Oh, that smells good. That's a light, soft scent. I already put on my perfume, but the way this scent is, it shouldn't be a problem. I like that. And then the next thing I have is this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I have had this before, so I do like this. Right now I'm using my Glam Glow, but I will definitely use this when I've used that up. I do have a Glam Glow on backup, and so I do have it, but this is what the container looks like. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this. And the last thing that's in this box, Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So there was a red one, a blue one, and a green one, I'm not mistaken. And my mom has the green one, and I think my aunt has the red one. And this is what it looks like. And oh my goodness, that smells so good. So it does have, I think because of the cover of the book, one that highlights, that stands out, that's like the color of it, because my mom had the green in hers and this one has the blue. So, but I do have another blue here that kind of, it's like a couple of blues here, and then a silver one or what have you. So this one is a combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers. So yeah, very cute, very cute. I like it. I'm just, like I said, I just don't like the fact that all this wasted space. So I don't get any other subscription box. So once I cancel BoxyCharm, I won't have another subscription box. And I can tell y'all, I'm definitely going to cancel BoxyCharm. I'm just not sure if I'm going to cancel it in January or if I'm going to cancel it in March. But I won't be keeping it all through 2020. But anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for coming to check out another one of my videos. And if you have not liked this video already, what are you waiting on? You better go ahead and like it. And if you have not subscribed, that's if you are not subscribed already and this is your first time here or your second time and you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I come with my new shenanigans. So now it is officially time for me to get out of here, go to work. Well, no, go get me some coffee and then go to work. So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.